Hello, my name is Jenny Eisenman, and I'm on the education team at Reading Plus. This image depicts the Reading Plus instructional model. I'll take a moment to give you an overview of how all of the parts of the model work together, and then I'll explain each part in greater depth. Students start off in Reading Plus by taking an adaptive assessment called Insight. After the assessment, students move into personalized, adaptive, online instruction that is tailored specifically to their needs. Students complete lessons in reading, vocabulary, visual skills, and writing. As students work in the instructional components, the system uses the formative data to ensure that they're always appropriately supported and challenged. It also provides you with actionable information, including specific data about each student's comprehension strengths and weaknesses. Reading Plus also provides you with resources that you can use for teacher-directed instruction in essential comprehension skills and strategies aligned with the standards. Now let's take a more in-depth look at each part of the instructional model so you have a clear understanding of how Reading Plus works. When students first log in, they will automatically begin the Insight assessment. Insight measures each student's comprehension level, vocabulary level, motivation to read, as well as their fluency and efficiency with reading. After students complete the assessment, they're automatically placed in the online lessons that are just right for them based on their instructional needs. As students work in Reading Plus, the most important lessons that students should always complete first are the reading lessons. When students start a reading lesson, they'll be able to pick a fiction or nonfiction selection that is interesting to them. We know it is extremely important for students to have choice and control over what they read, as this helps build motivation for reading. After choosing a reading selection, students will begin reading within a guided window. The guided window is a powerful scaffold that develops efficiency with eyes on text. It helps students train their eyes to move efficiently and fluently while they strengthen comprehension skills. Remember that students who struggle with inefficiency must build efficiency first in order to free up mental energy for deeper comprehension of text. As students increase their ability to successfully comprehend text at productive and efficient rates, the program responds by gradually removing the guided window scaffold. The independent presentation of text provides practice with a more traditional reading experience and encourages independence. After each text selection, students are given 10 standards-based comprehension questions to check their understanding of what they read. Students interact with questions that give them hands-on practice with the sorts of prompts they will encounter on high-stakes assessments. As they respond to the comprehension questions, students will be able to use rereads. The reread allows them to go back and look at the targeted portion of the text that contains the answer to the question. Students will also be assigned vocabulary lessons, and some will be assigned visual skills lessons to help them build the unseen and unheard skills that are essential for efficient, fluent reading.